Have you ever wondered what would happen if Bluey suddenly became a cat? In her backyard? On a sunny morning that felt completely ordinary, Bluey ran with Bingo. But everything felt strange. Her paws were tiny and soft. Her tail swished behind her. Bingo stared wide-eyed. Bluey meowed in surprise. Could this be magic? Or maybe a dream? Or something even stranger happening right now? Bluey tried to bark, but only a tiny meow came out. She twitched her ears. Her whiskers tingled. This was so exciting. They explored the backyard. Every blade of grass looked enormous. The flowers towered over them. Even the garden gnome seemed alive. A butterfly floated past. Bluey leapt high. Her new cat agility was incredible. She landed softly. Bingo laughed with pure joy. Suddenly, a shadow moved nearby. A bigger cat appeared. Its eyes glowed in the sun. Bluey felt nervous, but curiosity won. The big cat purred loudly. Bluey approached carefully. Could this be a friend? Or maybe a test? The cat tilted its head. Bluey learned to climb a tree. She reached the highest branch. The wind ruffled her fur. She felt brave and free. Bingo tried to follow, but stumbled. Bluey meowed encouragement. Together they explored, prowling, jumping, playing. As the sun began to set, a mysterious sparkle appeared. Magic swirled around Bluey. Her paws started changing back. By the time the stars shone, Bluey returned to normal. She hugged Bingo tightly. They laughed and whispered, "What an unbelievable adventure!" And you, yes you, if you loved this story, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.